everyone, look at this. I have made a LED brighten up with the help of a 9-volt battery. Now let us see how it is made. Welcome to Dhruv's Corner. So guys, this is what we need to make this circuit. A 9-volt battery, a breadboard, one jumper wire, an LED and a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now let us see how it is made. First of all, we will connect our 9-volt battery. This is the positive and this is the negative. First of all, this will go straight through a resistor. Our 1 kilo ohm resistor will be present here, and then into our LED's anode, the longer leg. And then the negative of the LED will be going straight back to the battery's negative. Now let us just make this in real life. First we will connect our power. Then we will connect our LED. Then we will connect the positive of the LED straight to our positive of the 9-volt battery. And then the negative of the LED to the negative of the 9-volt battery. And as you can see, the circuit is working. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.